another video. Alright YouTube, we're officially back with another video, and as you can tell, right now we're washing the cars. This thing needed a bath so bad. This thing was so dirty. We got Bo's ZL1 back on the channel. So right now we're getting our cars cleaned and we're setting up to go to a meet tonight. Bo's finally gonna hear the car now that it's tuned. The car sounds crazy now. If you didn't check out last video, it should be right here. The car is almost completely different car. I love it. Shout out to the tuner. If y'all need a tuner for your 2-valve, 4-valve, the link's in the description below. He did an absolutely phenomenal job. So huge shout out to MosSpeedShop. Thank you once again. If y'all haven't already, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. All right, let's jump into it. Behind me. Good. I still can't hear my ear, bro. Did you? How'd they look?
I haven't looked at them, but I mean, it sounds good.
Does it?
Beefy.
Is it? It sounds a lot better. Hey, pop your lights on. On. Picasso. Now, mind you, we came to Walmart for batteries and a coconut water. This is what happens when you come to Walmart, bro.
Got some
Let's see.
talking
Let's
to
see.
me.
Give us a little review, bro.
It's just a car. I don't care. Oh shit. What if these things need a charge?
Bro, that would absolutely be...
Bonkers.
They need a charge.
Yeah.
Put it in reverse.
Okay, daddy. Bro, I love this.
Daddy's a good boy. Daddy's a good boy.
Psst. Let's stop by Aldi and get some steaks.
Oh, we're gonna get
Are we doing steaks? No Sonic Bites for you, C-Nanner.
You better give me a blast. I'm gonna be
Yeah, go ahead, go. Get in front of me.
Oh,
Maybe not.
too late. So we just got out of Walmart to bring you up to speed. We got some walkie-talkies, obviously. They're super cool, not gonna lie. We're currently headed to Aldi. What are you listening to?
Paramore, Decode.
Brother. So right now we're about to head to Aldi's. We're about to get some steaks real quick. We're gonna eat dinner, and then we're gonna go to the car meet. So car meet starts at 6. I don't know what that guy was talking about, but you know. Actually, I think car meet starts at 7. So that's what we are gonna do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, me and Bo just threw our steaks into the oven. Then we're gonna throw it on the grill. Yes, sir. All right, we just sat down to eat some steak. Bo's got a ribeye. I got a strip. Watching some WWE old files right now. Still a kid at heart. But this junk looks so good. You ready to smash this, Bo?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
That's right.
Bro!
I was just as surprised as you were.
What's up, bro?
What are you doing?
Where's the lights at?
I took them off. It's
Speaking of
not
the devil,
Christmas.
that's what we was talking about.
Yeah, that's
He's
what
talking
we were
about the
talking
lights.
about.
You're welcome.
Dude,
Appreciate it.
I had so many people take pictures in Main Street. I had people come up and put their kids in front of it and take pictures.
Bro, that's
and I was
sick.
like, this is cool. I can get down with this.
Maybe I
That's
am
sick.
him.
Yeah, I was like, this is pretty cool.
Timothy sounds.
Where's Carmen?
The extra strength Scotch tape.
Double sided.
Nope, just regular. You just lay it
I'll
over the
just
wire.
lay it over.
Hey,
It
we
does
gotta
not-
put him on.
Oh yeah.
It does not stick as well as you want it to. At all.
The way you drive.
It does not. Like if you just put one strip, if you put one strip here and one strip across the car,
You gonna look around?
it'll fall off. But if you do a thousand,
That's definitely Logan's.
if
He's got the
you do one
Insta
basically on
360.
each side of every
Yeah.
one, so that takes some time. But when you go to take it off, it's right on. Whoop.
I like that that paint.
Probably.
Is this your Mustang? Who's
no,
Mustang? Oh, okay.
It's Landon. Landon Chopman.
I don't know who Landon is.
Landon Chopman. Dude that takes the gangster ass pictures.
Nobody takes my pictures.
All you gotta do is say, hey,
Can you shoot me?
yeah.
That's what,
and he'll
that's
just
what
fucking
Bailey's
shoot
doing
you
for
right
me
there.
tonight.
No, actually.
Where does the junkyard end and the car meet start?
Right. And then just people say out of pocket stuff.
Oh, I thought you
There's
did.
so much editing. There's so much editing.
That's why, for me, I like to say, hey, let's go make a YouTube video doing something.
Dedicated.
That's-
We get a couple of us that are into it.
Bro, I just got tuned.
Did you?
Mhm.
Did you do a video on it?
But you know when I put it in
I know, bro. I've got literally like, I think this might be the 4th right now that I'm recording.
I haven't posted in a while.
I know, bro, because I had to drop the fuel pump.
Like a manual though.
You
I
have to
put,
drop your tank on that one.
yeah, bro. I've
trunk.
already done everything. So I made a video today that I released, and it was literally just me talking about like what's going on with the car. I got a new daily driver, and then after that, dropped my tank, put a new fuel pump in it, and then after, yes, and then after that, did the tune, uploaded the new tune, did the remote session and everything, and now me and Bo spent like the whole day together washing our cars, and then we went out and got on the highway, and bro, it sounds. I have to get it like a revised tune because he put it under, I think, like a different gear. So when I'm doing 70, it says I'm doing 100. Yeah. So I did a pull, bro, and I was like, no way I'm doing 100. I was like, there's no way. I thought bro was gonna hit a donut real quick.
Not in the journey.
Dude, I'm totally down to like get a really boy like
I mean, I'm always down. I'm just trying to get in.
didn't come last time.
Bro, I was actually busy. I was
Telling Bailey,
He was doing jiu-jitsu.
I was rolling with Footy Man.
rolling around with me.
Yeah.
Oh, I love all the jiu-jitsu memes. Whenever somebody, it's like when somebody
All
walks
the
in your
gay
house and they're
memes.
scooting on their ass.
Yeah, right.
Like, come here.
Yeah, I'm not a butt scooter, bro. That's not me. I'll just sit there and wrestle. That's what actually that's where I have the most fun, is just wrestling. It's just like the stand up, and then we go to the ground. I'm like, all right, it's whatever from here.
I ordered Mishimoto intercooler and charge pipes and all that stuff. It was $1,500 for the Civic.
CBR is so tough.
And it was $1,500. They had it on sale for $700. I was like,
Yeah, absolutely.
mine now, half off. Yeah.
Bro, you have to do what Buddy commented on Instagram, just so you know.
Same kind of out there too.
Dude, manual swap's the top one.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. I messaged a dude about one that's got 135,000 miles. He said he wants 1,000. So
That's actually nice.
What's up, buddy?
if it works out,
Don't answer that.
then I'll go get it, and I'll get the few more things
You
I
don't
need,
leave right
and
now?
I'll just
What's up,
knock
buddy?
it out.
Fair enough.
I told you I'd wear the.
Bro, that is literally so tough. This makes me want a bike. That's all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. We just got done with the car meet. Everything was smooth. Yeah, the car absolutely is just phenomenal now. I absolutely love it. The backfires, everything, like it just feels snappier. So we had a great day today, me and my boy Bo. But thank you guys for tuning in once again. I'll see you on the next one, man. Deuces.
Cruise in a spaceship, take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.